Welcome to ZenBasket. In this video, we'll see how to view products import status in your ZenBasket admin. To get started, go to Products Import Status section from the dashboard. It will navigate you to Import Logs. This page displays the list of all imported data. You can view details such as module name, description, date, time of import, and actions. If any errors are found in the imported data, click on the Actions icon to review the error details. This helps you identify and correct issues in the uploaded Excel file. To filter the import logs, click on the Filter icon. Now, enter the date range to view logs for a specific period. By default, only products will be displayed in the search bar. Please note, when you refresh the page, all logs will be displayed again. You can also view these import logs under Logs menu. There you will find both import and export logs. Watch our Import-Export Logs training video to understand in detail. To know more, visit our help article. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for your support.